Hi, my name is Dirk. I'm here at Esukhia to give you kind of a brief introduction to our translation process. So what we do is we have Tibetan native-speaking scholars who give us their commentary on anything we're working on. In this example, we have a sutra that we've been working on. You can see their comments there in red. So these guys have years and years of study in monastic universities from all the different traditions, Nyingma, Geluk, etc. And so then they give us the insider's perspective of what they believe in this context the different words and sentences mean. I'll give you a short example here. We have this sentence. It's in verse, and it just says, Dusu chune nim parcha. So just listen to the teachings at times. But it doesn't specify anything about these times. We look at what we've been provided by our native scholars, and we see that they kind of get the feeling that this is on auspicious days, or appropriate times, or pertinent times, auspicious occasions. So then it takes a lot of the guesswork and the ambiguity out of the Tibetan. So in conclusion, what we're doing is working as pairs. It's the native scholar's job to kind of understand the sutra and give me that explanation, and then it's my job just to render that as best I can in the English language.